I'll start with the fact that what you see is a bit of an unwanted situation. The people who made the wooden paneling have already made holes and pulled out the cables that could have remained hidden. We would have found everything without the pre-fitted holes, but once we have them, let's get the cable ready. For the sake of making a hole for the socket, we will have to push the cable into the cavity behind the wooden paneling beforehand, otherwise the cable sticking out like that could get wrapped around the drill bit and at worst could seriously damage it. To prepare the hole, I will use a 73mm diameter jigsaw, and this is the exact dimension to be able to install the box. As you can see, by the fact that the hole has already been made, it is more difficult to fit the central drill bit. Without the guide drill bit drilled into the wood, the jigsaw would be flying all over the wall. When you are almost done, you have to be careful and think that there will be a twisted cable somewhere. The cables are of course fine, and all that's left to do is attach the box. The one I use is made by Colin and is certified for installation in wood paneling. The box contains 4 screws, of which 2 are for fixing the box to the wall and 2 for fixing the socket. We are finally coming to the end. If you like the video, please don't forget to show your satisfaction by pressing the like button. Thank you very much. I'll catch you around.